Oh, look at this moment right now. We got an Aaron, we got a Derek Miller, a Bodie, and we just got everybody out here and we're having a photo shoot. And look at this lake. It is gorgeous. What is up, ladies and gentlemen? We are at the Hiram Dam, I believe it is called. Don't tell my mom I just said a cuss word. Where are we at, Derek?
God's country, I already told you.
But we're out here having a photo shoot.
How would you describe this view?
I could describe this view with many words, but there's only one word.
What's the word I'm thinking of?
I'm gonna say that this view is
G-A-R,
gorgeous.
I'm gonna say dank.
Dankargist.
I thought for sure you guys were gonna say
Welcome
dank.
to the vlog. So, ladies and gentlemen, so we wanted to start the video off right today by taking a little adventure up here to Providence Canyon, where there happens to be a beautiful, gorgeous waterfall. And Farmer's already face climbing. He's face climbing up the side of this waterfall, and just check out how pretty this is. And it is gorgeous, ladies and gentlemen. It is gorgeous, safe to say. Here, this is a very, very pretty location. This is God's country.
Go though. Like, yeah.
This Colton?
Knuckle it, bro.
Yeah.
What up?
Okay.
Pretty sick. That's sick. This is sweet. Alright, me and Colt made it. We lost everybody else. They all bailed. They all said, hey, you guys are too hardcore for us. It's worth it, you guys. It's worth it. It's dope. Right here. This is why we're back early. Mr. Michael forgot his keys, so we had to run it all the way back down here to them.